Hey guys, Cam here from PocketLint, and in today's smartphone market, high-end devices are becoming more and more expensive. Last year, the iPhone X pushed us beyond the £1,000 barrier, so your choice is buy a cheaper phone or buy a refurbished one. With that in mind, we've got last year's flagship iPhone X here from Quick Mobile Fix in refurbished form to see what the condition is like. Now, this particular unit came in an excellent condition bundle, and that means you get various accessories with it and an official box. You can buy the phone on its own if you like, with units starting from just £595 and bundles from £650, which is a massive difference from the original £999 price point. Inside the box we got this separately packaged brand new Lightning to 3.5mm adapter, which is great for those wanting to use wired headphones. There's also a screen protector designed for the iPhone X, as well as an authentic pair of Apple's wired earpods. Then of course there's also the wall adapter, and most bundles will also come with a lightning cable. Now to take a look at the phone, and on first looks it appears to be in really good condition. There are no scratches or marks at all on the glass, either on the front or the back. And looking closely at the stainless steel frame, it's no surprise on this highly shiny finish to see some very small, very minor marks. But without looking really closely, you'd barely even notice those. The edges still retain that shiny look, giving the whole phone the appearance of being a new device at arm's length. Like any brand new phone, it needs setting up, and once you've done that and you start using it, you'll easily forget it's a refurbished phone to begin with. I genuinely have no issue using this at all. Now, these are available to buy from Quick Mobile Fix now in various conditions in both colours, and all devices are sold with a 12-month warranty to give you that peace of mind you really want when buying a refurbed phone. There's a link in the description box below to where you can buy it. I'll see you again soon.